What's going on everyone? Welcome back to another video. My name is of course Paul. These are noise cancelling headphones. I've always been a Sony fan and these were one of the pairs of headphones that I own. These are the Sony XB950s, the wired versions. Now I've had these for quite a while and I have done a video on these. If you want to check that out, linked on a card above here and in the description down below. These have been my go-tos. Then I moved on to these. Now I still carry those with me, the Sonys, for on the airplane, and I also carry these little Apple AirPods. These are absolutely superb. Also video linked down below if you want to check this one out. But when I've been on the airplane, I've always felt like something was missing. Trying these on not so long ago, I felt like these might be the perfect fit for me. These are the Sony WH1000X Mark IIs, but before I get into my thoughts on them, let's get these unboxed. So for quite a couple of days now I haven't been able to make my mind up between these and the QC35 Mark IIs, and after trying the Bose on and these, I decided that the Mark IIs would be a better fit for me. So what you get in the box is obviously you can download the headphone connect app to your device. Now I've already gone ahead and done that when I came home. Now what else you get in the box is your 3.5mm headphone jack to 3.5mm headphone jack. I'll put the case to one side for a sec and just go through what else you get in the box here. You get your micro USB to USB to charge the headphones. Then inside here is your usual booklets and stuff. Obviously some people might need these. I'm just going to wing it for now and see how we get on. So I'll put them back in the box and jump straight into this. Now you get a nice carrying case for this. You've got obviously a little stretchy pocket on the back for you to put your wires in. And then if we open it out, you get a nice little carrying strap here, even though you're probably not going to use it. If we unzip that like so, as you can see, you've got your headphones nicely packaged inside this nice carrying case. So let's go ahead and let's get them out. Also as well, what you actually get in here is you get a little diagram showing you how to use the headphones, especially on one of the ear cups, which has got the volume controls, the touch controls, and obviously to activate your Google Assistant or Siri. Here you've got this little adapter which is for use on airplane seats. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this in just for now, just until I know the diagram myself, but I'm going to keep that in there too, especially for when I'm on the airplane in case I want to watch a movie. I doubt I will, but you just never know, plus the fact that I want to lose it, so I'll just keep that in there for now. And then you've got your actual headphones, so they fold out like so, and then just push the arms back up. You got these really soft, nicely padded ear cushions, what feels like leather on the back of these, and obviously one of these is for your touch controls. You've got WH branding on the side here, letting you know which headphones they are, and you've got a badge saying wireless on this side. But these feel absolutely superb. I can't wait to try these out. On the bottom here you've got your noise cancellation, your ambient button, your on off button, and on the bottom you got the endpoint for your 3.5mm headphone jack, and also your micro USB to charge them up. Now when you jump into the Headphone Connect app, you're prompted to turn them on and obviously get them all paired up. We're going to go through that process right now. You're going to join me now as me and you together pair up these headphones. So you jump straight into the headphones app. It prompts you to switch them on. Let's see if they've got any juice in them. They've just switched on. So let's see how we go about connecting these up now. Click next, select an accessory. Let's see if it finds, and it's found them almost instantly. Click on that to pair. App, not the accessory. Sony's headphones uses an app. You do not have installed. This is the app, so just ignore that. Connection to the headphones complete. Start. Now there you go, jumping into the app, guys. This is what you're going to be seeing. Obviously your headphones, how much battery life you've got. Then you've got adaptive sound control, ambient sound control, noise cancelling optimizer, sound position control, surround VPT, your equalizer, now playing, and sound quality mode, as well as your DSEE-HX, which is set to auto. So there we go. That's how easy it is to set up the noise cancelling headphones. That's how quick and simple it is to set these guys up. Now jumping back into talking quickly about the XB950s. Now obviously on a 9-hour flight, which is to Orlando, which is what I do quite often, as you guys know if you watch the videos. Now what I found with these was they felt a bit tight every now and again on the head, and the headband would kind of give you a weird fatigue on top of your head. The headband would start to hurt, and then where the ear cups were positioned, they felt a tiny bit tight every now and again, even though they are, as you can see, there is quite a bit of flexibility in that headband. Kind of gave you an ache in the jawline. So what you'd end up with was you'd have fatigue across the top of your head, and it'd be quite tender and sore, and then you'd have sort of, like my jawline anyway, would start to hurt. Now after trying on, obviously having the wireless headphones from Apple, I used to switch between the two on the flight. I'd jump from a movie to some music or a podcast and see how I got on. But however, that being said, I haven't obviously listened to these just yet, but I will be doing so and letting you know the results on them. But I've just tried these on, and I can tell you now, you can feel the difference in the jawline, and you can also feel the difference across the top of the headband here, because it's nice, soft, padded, and it feels quite easy on the head, especially when you adjust them to your side. Now guys, obviously the big test with these is going to be sound quality. So let me jump in, let me try these out. Now after just a few minutes of listening to these, I can tell you these sound absolutely fantastic. Now I don't know what they're going to be like obviously for long listening periods, especially when you're watching a movie on the airplane, etc. But that's what we intend to find out. Make sure you stay tuned for that video guys, that's going to be coming very very soon, of when we go to Orlando. We'll be taking these guys with us, so I'll let you know my results. That's going to do it for this video guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching as always. If you want to pick these up for yourself, or the Bose QC35s, I'll have them linked in the description down below, along with the XB950s and the Bluetooth version of the XB950s, in case you want to check them out too. The bass on the XB950 BTs is unbelievable. Thanks so much for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up for me. Subscribe if you're new to the channel and you want to see the update video to those headphones. Thanks for watching guys. I'll catch you in the next video. Take care guys. See you all later.
Yeah, and I think I got one. Yeah, I got one.